In a small village, surrounded by endless green fields and dusty paths, lived a young man named Arjun. Every morning, he woke up before the sun, tending to his small farm. His hands were rough, his clothes worn, but his eyes carried a spark that no hardship could dim. Life was simple, but his heart yearned for something more, a dream that seemed far beyond the horizon of his village. Arjun worked tirelessly, plowing the fields, planting seeds, and fetching water from the well. Yet every harvest barely fed his family. Many villagers told him, "Dreams are for those in the city. Here you must work the land, or you will starve." But Arjun refused to let words drown his hope. Each night, as he lay on his straw mat, he imagined a future where his small village life could blossom into something bigger. One evening, a traveling teacher visited the village. He spoke of people who started with nothing, yet built schools, farms, and businesses that changed lives. Arjun listened carefully, his heart racing. "Your mind is your only limit," the teacher said. That night, Arjun made a promise to himself. He would work the fields with his hands, but he would also feed his mind with knowledge every single day. Arjun woke before dawn, tending to crops, and in the evening he read old books borrowed from the teacher. He practiced writing letters, solving problems, and dreaming in colors he had never seen. Days turned into months, and months into years. Many times, fatigue and failure tempted him to give up. But every time he remembered the spark in the teacher's eyes and the dreams that called him forward. One season, a storm destroyed most of Arjun's crops. His savings vanished, and the village laughed at him. "You should have stayed planting rice," they said. For the first time, Arjun felt despair. But late at night, sitting by the dying embers of a fire, he whispered to himself, "I am not my failures. I am the lessons they bring." He decided to start again, wiser, stronger, and more determined than ever. Years of hard work and learning finally bore fruit. Arjun invented a new irrigation system using simple tools, which doubled his harvest. His method spread to nearby villages, helping hundreds of families. He built a small school, teaching children not just farming, but dreaming, learning, and believing. The villagers who once mocked him now called him a visionary. Arjun's story reminds us that where we start does not determine where we can go. Respect your time, discipline your mind, and never cry over yesterday's failures. Dreams are not just for the city or the privileged. They are for anyone brave enough to chase them, even from the smallest village. And sometimes the hands that till the soil are the same hands that change the world.